we will begin. A query is like a simple question that you ask to find specific information from the database. You can use queries to view, change, summarize, and analyze specific data in different ways. So, query is a question that you ask from the database, and if you want any data from the database, you have to write down the query is can be used to change or to view or to analyze the data. Setting a relationship between tables. With the help of queries, you can set a relationship between different tables. As you all know, query is used to edit the data also. So to edit the data, you can use the query and you can make the relationship between two tables with the help of queries. For example, if you want some data which is in more than one table, with the help of queries, you can easily retrieve the data. Or you can also merge the data of two different tables. Create a query in design view. It is the most simple procedure to create a query, that is it, a design view. The main query window is divided into two panes. In design view, a query window is divided into two panes, top pane and bottom pane. Top pane displays the tables selected for the query. In case of multiple tables, the field lists are joined by a line. So in top pane, you will see the numbers of table which you have selected for the query, and if in case there is more than one table, the field lists are joined by line. You will see a line as I have shown you in previous old video. You have seen that how we have added, we have make a relationship between two tables and all the field are shown by a joined line. So that also shows in top pane, and in bottom pane it shows the design grid, the how you can design, how you are designing the your query. So in design grid you will see a field means a column. What are the columns in your tables? It will show that table. In table column you will see the number of tables you have selected for the query. In show you will get a check mark, the number of fields you want to enter in the field and from the table. Whatever you field you will click on, that on or will show in show row. In short, you can ascend or descend your data criteria, and in criteria you can give any kind of criteria for to your query. So by this you can easily make your query in design view. Specifying simple criteria. Criteria is specified in the criteria row of the design grid. Specify the criteria value in the criteria row and the data will be filtered accordingly in your query output. So to give a criteria, you have to give that in the criteria row in the design grid. Specifying multiple criteria. To specify multiple criteria in a query, follow the step. Suppose you want to see the record of the class 10th as well as class 12th. Move the cursor to the criteria and type the condition equal to 10 in class column, the second condition equal to 12 in a or row of the same column. Save the query and click on the close button. Now run the query and observe the output. So if you want the multiple criteria, you have to give two criteria, one in that particular row in which you want, and the second one in the same column or in the same row, and for the output you have to close that query output box, and then you have to observe the output that the both the criteria are being performed. So let's see how to see the query output. So first of all we have to click on start button to open MS Access. Then we have to click on Microsoft Access. We have to create the database. See, here is the table and there is one ID. To create a data query, we have to click on create. So we can create a query in Query Wizard or in Query Design. Let's see first Query Wizard. In Query Wizard, you want to save the table 1 and create a new object. Yes, we have to save the table 1 with the name table. Okay, the first table 1 is saved. Simple Query Wizard. When we click OK, it will show selected field and available field. As there is only one column, that is ID, so only one field is there, ID. We have to click on the next button. It's there, it's come from the available field to the selected field. We have to click on next. After that it will ask for the open the query to view information. Finish. After click on finish, here we can see queries, table 1 query. A new tab is there, table 1 query, just because there is only one, so it is showing like this. Suppose if you want a query design, you have to click here. See the above, it is showing the tables, only there is one table, so we can add that particular table and close. So the upper view is showing the tables. As there is only one table, it is showing first table 1, and the bottom pane is showing you the design grid. There is field options, there is only one field ID, so we can click on the field. There is table 1 sort, we can sort our data in ascending or descending order. Then show, there are columns which are showing the checkbox. By clicking on the checkbox we can show the rows, and there is a criteria option. Here in the first column we can give the criteria, and in this particular similarly in the second column for the multiple criteria. And there is also or option, but in or option also we can, if we want a criteria in the same column, first we can give the criteria here and then on the or option. This is how we will do the criteria and we can make our query. Thank you.